Hello super students, welcome back to MP Ladder. First of all, give yourself a big smile because if you completed yesterday's practice questions, you are already becoming stronger in decimals. Remember, something is very important. Math is not difficult. Math becomes easy when we learn slowly, step by step. Even if you make mistakes, don't worry. Mistakes means you are learning. So, are you ready for today's exciting class? Let's begin. Before we start today's topic, let us quickly check yesterday's answer. Take your notebook and match your answers with me. First question, 0.4 plus 0.3. So 4 tenths plus 3 tenth is equal to 4 plus 3, 7 tenth. Answer is equal to 0.7. Very easy. Same place values can be added directly. Next go to second question. 0.25 plus 0.15. 0.25 plus 0.15. Add carefully. Let's go step by step. 5 plus 5, 10. 0, 1 carry forward. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So align the decimal point clearly. See, we have to align properly. So 0 plus 0, 0. So the answer is 0.40, or you can write it as 0.4, because previous classes I said to you, adding 0 to the next to the number does not change the value. It's the same 0.4 or 0.40. Let's move on to third question. For example, rupees means it comes to your daily life like shopping. How you do shopping when you go to shop? So same way, 15.50. This is for apple or something. This is for juice, 20 rupees 25 paise. So adding together, how much we need to pay the shopkeeper? 15.50 plus 20.25. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Align the decimal point clearly. 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. So what is the answer, students? 35.75. Next go to fourth question. 0.75 plus 0.05. So now don't be scared for getting the numbers, bigger numbers. Just do step by step. Write down 0.75 plus 0.05. So 5 plus 5, 10. 0, 1 carry forward. 7 plus 1, 8. 0.80 or 0.8. Excellent work, students. So before today's topic, let us remember one golden rule. Whenever we add decimals, decimal point must always come exactly below decimal point. This rule is very important for today's class also. Yes. Let's start today's class. Now imagine. For example, we'll start with the example 2. You had 50 rupees. You bought chocolate worth rupees 25 rupees 50 paise. So how much money is left with you? Can we subtract the decimals? Of course, we can. So today's topic is subtraction of decimals. What is this golden rule? Always place the decimal point below decimal point. So let's start with the simple example. 0.8 minus 0.3. As I said in addition, if the numbers in the same places, just do addition or subtraction. What you have to do? Now here subtraction. So 8 minus 3 is equal to 5 tenth. The answer will be 0.5. Very easy. Just like normal subtraction. We have done with this, but we'll do the subtraction now. 0 minus 0, 0. So here 0 won't go from 5. So what we'll do in normal subtraction? We carry forward from here, it will become 10. 10 minus 5, 5. As we carry forward, this number will become 9. Align the decimal point clearly. Next, 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. 5 minus 2 is equal to, as we taken here, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So what will be the answer? 24.50. Hope everyone understand. It's a normal addition, normal subtraction what we are doing. It's very easy. Yes, students? Next. Now we know how much money is left after the shopping. 0. Next example, 0.75 minus 0.5. Oh, different digits. Should we panic? No. Just add 0 here. Just add 0 to make the digits equal. So what we are doing here? Subtraction. So 5 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 5, 2. Align the decimal point clearly. 0, 0. So what is the answer? 0.25 is the answer. What the common mistake the students will do? Never subtract the digits without arranging the decimal point. Can you see here? It will go wrong. As the digits are not same, what the students will do? They want to write below this number, so they keep the dot here, they will 0 here. No, the decimal points should be aligned properly. This is the common mistake the students will do. So how to write correctly? 0.75. Below the decimal point only another point will come. So we have to align properly. 0.25 will be the answer. Fantastic work today, students. So now it's your turn. Pause the video and try these questions. 0.9 minus 0.4. First question. Second one, 0.85 minus 0.25. Third question, rupees 45.75 minus rupees 20.50. Fourth, 0.60 minus 0.08. We will discuss the answers in the next class. Remember, students, math is not about speed. Math is about understanding. Slow learning is strong learning. Keep practicing and keep climbing one step at a time with MP Ladder. See you in the next class. Thank you.